sometimes you gotta stay up real late and chat with friends you haven't talked to in a while. And then you have Friday off. So you're gonna take advantage of that. Also, I can hear the night sounds. That usually isn't a thing, so I'm not sure what the deal is. And gotta start making plans for a vacation. First vacation I've had since Christmas. Pandemic vacation equals being alone for a lot of time, and that sounds real nice. I'm on board. Also, I don't know if my camera lens is dirty or if it's just this lighting. But I don't care because it's after 3 in the morning. So it's time for sleep. And let me just say, it's almost September. And that's weird. That's real weird. But it's true. It's true.